Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now the topic about parallel circuit, Science 9, Term 1, Week 6. This is day 1, characteristics of parallel circuit. Objectives: explain the characteristics of parallel circuit in terms of voltage, current division, and path of electric flow. Demonstrate interest in learning how electrical systems work, and analyze simple situations involving parallel circuits. For activity, let us answer these questions. Okay, type of circuit with multiple current path. Okay, that is parallel circuit. Electrical quantity that is the same in each branch of parallel circuit. Okay, voltage. Device that supplies electrical energy. Okay, battery or power source. Okay, for number 4, pathway where electricity flows. The answer is circuit. The splitting of current into branches. Okay, current division. Material used to protect against electrical shock. Okay, insulator. Okay, scientist associated with Ohm's law. Okay, George Ohm. Number of paths in parallel circuit. Okay, multiple or marami. Electrical quantity measured in volts. Okay, that is voltage. Flow of electric charge. Okay, that is electric current. Okay, ito ang tono po nito, yung Are You Sleeping? So, familiar ito lalo sa mga kabataan. So, kantahin po ninyo. Okay, for discussion, what is a parallel circuit? A parallel circuit is an electrical arrangement where components are connected across common points, creating multiple paths or for current to flow. The key idea about parallel circuit is more than one path exists for electricity. Okay, example, the Christmas lights connected so that when one bulb is removed, the others remain lit. So, pero yung mga old po na ganyan is pag nasira yung isa, sira ano na lahat, off na lahat. Pero itong parallel, hindi po ganun. Okay, characteristics of parallel circuit. So, number 1, voltage is the same across all components. Kung ilan po yung supply ng voltage, halimbawa, yung battery ay 3 volts, 3 volts po yan sa lahat. Each branch receives equal voltage from the power source. If the battery supplies 9 volts, each bulb in parallel gets 9 volts. Ayan, lahat po yan. So, number 2, current is divided among branches. So, the total current from the source splits into different parts. So, ang tanong, pag dinagdagan mo ng load, nang nangyari po, tumataas lalo. Pag kumpara dun sa dalawa lang ang ilaw, dinagdagan mo ng isa pang ilaw, tumataas ang current. Kung ilan yung total current ng bawat isa, ipa-plus mo yun ang tinatawag na total current. Ayan. Pinaka-formula niya, total current is equals to current 1. O sa mga nagtataka po, bakit letter I po ang symbol ng current. So, current 1 plus current 2 plus current 3 as and so on and so forth. Kung ilan ang nandyan na load, kung ilan ang current ng bawat isa nun, dinivide yun dun. So, yung ipa-plus mo yung lahat, yun ang total current. So, next is resistance. In a parallel circuit, total resistance decreases as more components are added. In a parallel circuit, total resistance decreases as more components are added. This is because each resistor provides a new independent path for electrical current to flow. Okay, the formula for resistance in parallel circuit, 1 over total resistance equals 1 over resistance 1 plus 1 over resistance 2. So, and so forth. So, yan po yung pinaka-formula. Another one, independent operation of components. If one component is removed or damaged, other components continue to function. Example is house lighting system. Yun ang kagandahan po. So, may kanya-kanyang switch. So, hindi tulad ng series, pag nasira yung isa, apektado lahat. So, mag-go off lahat. Di tulad dito, independent. May kanya-kanya sila. Kahit naka-off na yung isa, gumagana pa rin yung iba. Okay, path of electric current. Okay, electricity flows from the power source. At junctions or the junction box, current splits into different branches. The current recombines before returning to the source. Ayan, ito pong video ito, example. Sa ano lang po ito, sa battery. Ayan. So, dalawang switch, dalawang bulb, magkahiwalay po yan, no? Yan. Kapag in-off mo yung isa, isa lang ang mag-off. Pag in-on mo yung isa, Ayan, pag inuno, magkahiwalay po ang kanyang switch. They are working independently. Ito. Okay, ito naman pong sunod na video. Ito, simulation po ito sa PET or phet.colorado.edu. So, pwede itong bisitahin ng mga estudyante. At itry po natin ito. Ito pong simulation. Ayan, naglagay tayo ng dalawang battery muna. Ayan, wire. Kinonect natin yung wire. Medyo nagahang po pag-record ko kanina nito. Ayan, nilagyan natin ng switch. So, lagyan natin yan ng bulb. So, yan. Another switch. And also, another bulb. Ayan. So, try nating i-on. Pwede po ito sa cellphone, itong phet.colorado.edu na ito. Ayun, nag-umilaw na siya. So, gagamitan natin ng voltmeter. Ito, ammeter muna. What is a parallel circuit? Okay, anong pinakasagot natin dyan? Okay, a circuit with multiple path or current. In a parallel circuit, voltage across each branch is what? Okay, the answer is the same. Kung ilan yung supply ng source, yun din ang bawat part. If one bulb in a parallel circuit is removed, what happens? Okay, other bulbs may continue working. So, hindi maaapektuhan kasi independent sila. Current in a parallel circuit, blank. Okay, splits into branches. Parallel circuits are commonly used in blanks. Okay, house wiring. Which is an advantage of parallel circuit? Banggit na natin kanina, each device can work independently. What happens to total current in parallel circuit? Okay, the total current, the sum of branch current. So, pag inisa-isa mo yung current ng bawat isa, ipa-plus mo yun ang kanyang total current. Which statement is correct? Okay, parallel circuit has multiple paths. Okay, parallel circuit is useful because ayan, nabanggit na natin, devices can operate separately. Okay, who studied the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance? Okay, that is yung Ohm's law. So, si Ohm.